Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. So it is Sunday morning here in beautiful Grand Prairie, Alberta, and let me tell you guys, the weather is not looking pretty nice today. Today should be the first snowfall of the season, and it's expected to be a very heavy one, over 10 centimeters of snow. Not looking forward to it, but nonetheless, out and about to go and see Rochelle and Marvel. They are gonna go and take a look on a car. As you guys would have known, they are currently looking for their first car in Canada, and as I always suggest, start with a Beaters. Now, what a Beaters? What's a Beaters? A Beaters is a car that takes you from point A to point B. It's not your dream car by any stretch of the imagination, but it is a car that will get the job done for the best affordable cost as possible. So we put out a post the other day asking for persons who probably have a car that they're looking to offload, and I also reached out to some friends and family members, well, friends and colleagues, and asked them if they have any links. So Alex, very good friend of mine, you guys know Alex from previous vlog, he knew someone who was selling a car, so we're gonna go and take a look at it and see if it is something that we they can work with, right? So come along guys as we go and look at Rochelle and Marvel's first car in Canada. If you guys are new here, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what your first car was like, or if you believe that just go with a new car and done. What's your thoughts on that? Anyways, let's see you guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
I don't like the weather. Weather nice though.
The weather manageable so far. But I heard snow is on the highway. It was on the highway.
It's supposed to snow today, 10 inches of snow today. Probably shouldn't wear shorts today.
Let me see you wear shorts in winter.
Me used to it. It's never too cold for shorts. That's how the machine is. So 2,500.
2,500 if I would do the tell myself the brake you need.
Want some brake pad?
Either and you can drive your feel not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Then I said 2,500. I say if I do it, I will just charge $2,000.
Oh, so if you guys start out the brake pad in charge $2,000, but if him start it out 25. Okay. So go ahead man and drive man. I wanna go drive you know feel and see.
Alright.
Know everything.
What me know, me don't think nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
As me say, me did tell them I say one check light they come in on it, but them just plug on the computer on it and it clear it and it gone. Okay. So me not think it did it because him say it clear on it. The only thing him say wrong with that just the brake. You want some new.
And again, it's not just point A to point B.
Yeah.
It's just a Beater, so you're not gonna be a dream car, you get me? I just feel mobilized, you know.
We're gonna need tire for the vehicle.
Well, what happened, you know, all season?
All season and three-seater.
Oh, brand new it be, oh, new it be. Like you have like a treading pan
Well,
still.
you have treading, feel it.
Yeah.
Feel it, tread on it.
If for all season. Oh, what part treading?
Just put
Me feel
it in
me,
a
see.
groove.
If for all season, we can bring you through one winter.
1 winter would have settled.
One winter for this, because we don't know how new it be.
Well, I mean, it's good still for the price, so. So the
And
brake-
Alex
the
family,
brake-
so
the
we're
brake
come to
shoe-
work to know if we find him.
Exactly.
The brake shoe.
Yeah.
As we say, we can drive it. We can drive it and you feel the brake.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
As we can run, it's just that him say a time fee change.
Yeah.
And you know, say, I cannot do
As man said, I know like a stranger way, you know, we can find who sell it. So, because such closeness, you know, they sell us something we know where we left, you know.
As we say, a 7-seater.
Yeah. What the click on it, I don't know.
I'm not sure. You can check it out though.
Just want clean up.
Just some vacuum and something.
Yeah, just want clean up. When you have a park up, look like.
Yeah, because you feel vehicle.
So it's just want to park.
You might run that, you know.
Do a cold button for your brother, need a jacket, brother.
Man, I tell her, man.
Man, I move like Iron Man.
Right now, I move all my body right now if it's like it was.
Watch for the man and watch it.
It's a coming out.
I today we're supposed to get 10 inches. I know.
Me say I told we should I get winter.
Some people telling me on the highway coming in.
Yeah. Or the door them off. Two nights.
Almost 300,000 mileage.
Oh, okay.
No, it was what? 200 going out.
Again,
Good now, as long as it works.
I don't know. Said
Now we get now much better.
check light still on, man. Drive is still so bad.
Somebody door not closed.
Two doors them are closed. Open and slam yourself. Alright, good. I try to figure it out. You know, I'm gonna move till I get to you.
Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got, and I know you'll make mistakes. Get into feelings and
And plus, I just run town carry this, you know. You see me? You can't drive this guy Edmonton. Mono drive this guy Edmonton, but I just run town carry. Everybody need a starter kit, you see me? Morning, guys. That's right. It's morning time. I had to finish the video a little bit impromptu yesterday. We got a dump of snow yesterday, guys. And this is the end result this morning. And in case you guys are wondering, the date today is October 21st, 2024. And this is what outside is looking like at the moment. I'm about to go and shovel off some snow off the car. Oh my gosh. Let's do it, guys. Whew. Winter boots and all these things, guys. In October. Can you believe that? Look what's going on. Look at this. And it's even still snowing. It's even still snowing, guys. Look how thick this is. I am not gonna lie. I'm not in the mood to do any shoveling this morning. So this is not gonna get shoveled right now. Snow brush. That's what I need right now. Oh my gosh. I forgot to park in the garage. This is a side effect. This is a side effect, guys.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it.
So it's morning time, guys. It's now 7:56 a.m. and Nats is here getting this little one ready for day home and that little one ready for school. Monica, say hi. Say hi. Good job. And outside is Molly. Is it snowing?
Yeah,
You like when it's snow?
yeah, I like it snow. See me.
You want to see yourself?
Oh, it's snowing.
It's snowing. Is it? You like when it's snow, baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear snowshoes.
Okay. Malika, you gonna wear snowshoes too?
And I'm gonna wear my pink snowshoes.
Snowshoes?
Yeah, pink snowshoes.
What are you eating?
Strawberry.
Okay, baby. Yeah, guys, so that's what the Anderson's household is looking like this morning. I'm getting ready for work. I'm gonna be ready in another 2 minutes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. It's okay, Malika. No one likes the snow. Oh my gosh, everybody have on their mittens and boots. Everybody good to go? Open it. Yeah. 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 Come on, find this over there.
Be careful, man.
Ice. Let's give open the door.
See that? Ice.
Oh, pass them over.
Snow.
It's snow.
It's still snowing, baby. Come.
Finger cold.
Guys, nuts is freezing.
Fingers. I don't have any gloves. So that's
Guys,
the
it's
reason.
still only October.
That doesn't
Warning,
mean that doesn't
warning.
mean that the temperature it's not cold. So what?
I don't remember how to drive on snow.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby girl. It's morning.
Guys, it's like we went straight from fall to winter in the
Yes.
space of 24 hours. Man, it's crazy. So we're taking Malika to school right now, guys, and this is what the road is looking like in the morning time. Whew. And it's -6 degrees. And it's only October. Oh man. Everybody's late this morning. Balance. I see. Back to skating. Hey, I can't stop. I can't stop. If I try to stop sudden,
Me know. I should wait till the car turn. Actually press the thing.
It's not like yesterday. I can't stop.
Yes. Oh,
I can't stop.
yesterday, okay.
Yeah, the conditions.
Like they have more snow if you get to know.
Malika, gonna have a good day at school, baby girl. Remember, you're smart, you're beautiful, you're talented. Okay, Miss Malika Jet? Okay, you got this. Yeah. Malika, you're late, man. Malika, my roads are empty.
No, it's understand because.
Of course, come on.
Yeah.
Look at the temperature. Guys, I was about to cuss the buggy, but it gave me a little bit of nostalgia because that was us when we just came in our little buggy. And actually, so I read it that it's snowing today because our first snow experience was actually walking in the snow to go and pick up the buggy. Yes guys, so we just dropped off Malika to school. Taking Malia today home now, but before I'm gonna go and pick up Zuri and take her today home as well. We try to help out as much as possible in the morning time because as you know they don't have a car yet. Yes baby, you're going to Auntie Jean. As you guys know they don't have a car yet. Just helping out, especially on a morning like this. Like, comment, share and subscribe guys. Beautiful winter morning in beautiful Grand Prairie, Alberta. What do you have on your plate for today, babes?
I just have work. I'm going to work at like 10 o'clock today, so that's it.
Okay, and what time you come off? 2:30?
It's supposed to come off at 2:30.
Okay.
Don't normally work.
Are you over the other branch?
No, not.
Yeah, that's the other branch.
You call that.
Okay, I'll come and pick you up.
You coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. Anyways, guys, see you when I reach Malika's day home.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love.
So guys, I am now on my way to work. get a good angle. There we go. I'm now on my way to work. I just dropped off the girls today home, but I wanted to chat with you guys a little bit before I get to work. And I just want to say a huge thank you to all the persons who have been subscribing to our channel, all the persons who have been messaging us, reaching out to us. And I do apologize as well if there's any emails that I may have missed. To be honest, sometimes we get so many messages, it's just not possible to respond to all. So I do apologize for the ones that I didn't get to reach to, probably not yet. And all the persons who have been sharing our videos and showing us love, thank you. I also ask for understanding as well, guys, to understand that we do have a life also. And sometimes we allow ourselves to be consumed in content creation and just trying to help everybody else, that it causes us to not focus on ourselves. So sometimes it's necessary for us to take a step back and focus on ourselves, focus on our family. So we also ask for a little bit of understanding where that's concerned, right? But we have some big news coming very soon, guys. We have a project that we're working on. That's a huge deal. Many of you guys probably know what I'm talking about already, but we haven't actually made an announcement about it yet. But we have a work in progress that we're currently doing. It's a game changer for us, and it's going to be beneficial to so many other families, not just in Canada but around the world. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that one, right? And yeah, we're so excited about that project, and we can't wait to share it with you guys. But when the time is right, you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. In the meantime, guys, just show us some love. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Smash a like on the video if you haven't liked it as yet, and let us know what's the weather like in your city. What's the weather like in your town? Let me know, guys. Are you guys going through a similar thing like what we are going through right now, or are you guys having lots of sunshine and that beautiful weather? Let me know in the comment section as per usual. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.